James Turner has an impressive track record, with 2 Nature and 1 Science publication in the past 5 years.
Yeah, not just that, his H-index is 25, and I looked up his most recent 5 publications, all of them had an impact factor of 9 or higher.
Wow, but okay, we do need to be careful here. He is in cell biology, where it's much more common to achieve much higher metrics than in some other fields.
Yeah, that's true, but I did actually read his most recent 3 papers, or 4, and they are actually very good. Like, the research is, substantial, and it's very elegant, and it's innovative, and I think he really is a good researcher.
Did you also get a chance to look at the blog that he mentions in his CV? It's very nice and an active forum for both students and faculty to interact on all sorts of topics. He definitely has a knack for outreach and communication.
I think we're in agreement here. I think for me, it's very simple. The guy's average citation count over the last 3 years was 17.62. I think it's clear. From that number, there should be an A.
I absolutely agree.
Okay.